Just got settled in?
Yes, I did. Just got settled. Yes.
Well, welcome aboard.
Oh, thank you, Mr. Claus.
You know, Rodney was right about you. I can tell. Good morning, Mary.
Good morning.
Hi there, Rodney.
Santa, this is a surprise.
Why's that?
You don't come in here often. You hate me and we meet in your office.
I know, but I've been thinking it's about time to be a more hands-on boss, you know? Be a man of the people. Mingle with my employees.
I am sorry. You're going to be a man of the people?
You bet I am.
This has lawsuit written all over it, but you enjoy it while it lasts.
Thank you. I will.
So, how's the list coming?
I'm taking a break, but I've gotten as far as H.
Frostbite Santa, we've been over and over this. The list is really the kind of thing you need to be delegating.
Oh, poppycock, I like to enlist it. Make me feel like I still mean something around here.
Don't say that, Santa. You mean a great deal.
Rodney, I have people doing everything for me. Reindeer elves, toy elves, sleigh elves, male elves. I'm surprised I'm still driving the sleigh. Let me do this one little thing by myself.
Great, I'm all for that. All I'm saying is, does it have to be the list?
Well, why not the list?
Because you suck at the list.
Oh, I do not.
Yes, you do, Santa. It's nothing bad. You just love the kids too much. You're not impartial anymore.
Of course I am. Go ahead, pick a shot.
Santa, I
Pick
don't
a darn kid, Rodney, or you'll be cleaning up after the Easter Bunny by April.
Chris Coleman, 9 years old, Boston, Massachusetts.
Nice.
Santa.
Nice, you've been acting out some good attention.
He shoplifted from a toy store, broke his sister's dollhouse, attacked the neighbor's dog, fired a paintball gun into his mother's closet, and leave us not forget the frog incidents. 1, 2, and 3. He's got attention, sir. He's got media coverage.
I admit, I may not be the most ideal judge of the children's characters. That's why I have Louis helping me.
Is Louis being punished for something?
Oh, no. Louis left me.
Well, at least we've got Cindy to take over whenever he quits and kills himself.
I just met Cindy. She seems okay, just nervous.
She's extremely nervous. Were you nice to her when you spoke?
I'm always nice. I'm usually nice. I was not.
Because we need to watch staff morale around here.
Oh, yes, sir. Gee, I wish I was the boss then. Maybe I could tell people. Oh, wait a minute.
You have a wit far surpassing most holiday icons, sir.
Thank you. Now, when you hired me, did you by any chance say anything to her about not being allowed to call me Santa?
I was only doing that to mess with her brain.
You're a seriously disturbed man, Rodney. Don't ever change. Is there news?
There is. We're running low on lumber. We haven't heard back from the distribution house. Coal prices are up. Cupid's problems are back. And Willie has a crush on Susie.
Is that really important?
Apparently so.
Well, I'm going to lunch. Care to join me?
Is this the new and improved Santa talking?
I'm a leader, not boss.
Thank you. No. I'm just going to spend 58 seconds in total peace and solitude in my office before some new crisis arises that will consume every fiber of my being.
You do that.
See you later, Santa.
Later, Rodney. Oh, good afternoon, Johnny.
Oh, hello, Santa. Something wrong?
No, why would anything be wrong?
You're out of your office.
I'm a man of the people, Johnny.
Are you?
Yes.
I had no idea.
Well, I am.
Good luck with that, sir.
Thank you. Say, you want to join me for lunch?
Me? Join you?
Yeah, I was thinking about getting some chicken salad.
Please, anyway, sir. I've got something important I got to talk to Rodney about.
Oh, sucks to be you. Talk to you later. I'm good.
Would you like a cookie? I've heard some wonderful things about you. I'm sure you'll do well. I certainly hope so. I mean, I will try my best. That is to say, I'll exert myself. Cindy, relax. You got the job.
Oh, hello, Miss Claus.
Well, hello, Louis. Have you met Cindy?
Oh, no. I'm Louis, Santa's personal assistant.
It's nice to meet you.
He just left, but he'll be back in a second.
What for?
Louis, I seem to have misplaced my glasses. Would you? Oh, thank you. Oh, hello, dear. What brings you to my neck of the woods?
I came to bring you some cookies.
Oh, thank you.
And talk you once and for all out of doing the list.
Well, I am doing the list all by myself. And I was thinking I might really go out of my way this year and actually drop down the chimneys myself, too. Why can't anyone on this ice cap let me do this one little thing by myself?
Because it's not just one little thing, it's the list.
So,
So you suck at the list.
I swear, if you weren't giving me cookies right now, I'd throw you out here like a Something you throw.
You always get in such a bad mood when you do the list.
Oh, I do not. What's it with you and Rodney's day?
Rodney is a smart-ass. You should ease up on him.
Isn't it enough that I fly around the world and deliver toys and shake my lap like a bowl full of jello? I have to be a people person too.
How old do elves look?
Don't stop me today.
How old do elves look, Santa?
As old as they feel.
That's right. Unlike we human beings, elves only look as old as they feel inside. Now, Rodney isn't very much older than Louis, but just look at how much older he looks.
Louis uses skin cream. What do I know?
Rodney looks older because he feels older. He's tired and busy and stressed out and lonely and tired. And all I'm saying is a little slack cutting on your part might not be out of line.
I know all that, but can I help it if Rodney's a little overwrought?
It's jelly.
Pardon?
He had a broad face and a little round belly that shook when he laughed like a bowl full of jelly.
Well, what did I say?
Jell-O.
Well, it should be jello. It's much shakier than jelly.
Yes, but it doesn't rhyme as easily.
Yeah, I guess.
Now, you're sure I can't talk you out of doing this?
Okay, we're going to lunch now.
So, Rodney, is he back into one of his man of the people phases?
Let's go.